Looking for the beauty of real wood floors, without the high maintenance or worry? We just made it possible. Fixit Design proudly presents the successful completion of a premium SPC wood flooring project, a perfect blend of elegance and endurance. SPC, or Stone Plastic Composite, offers the natural look and texture of hardwood, but with far superior durability. It's 100% waterproof, highly scratch-resistant, and engineered to last for years, making it ideal for both residential and commercial spaces. Whether it's a busy home with kids and pets or a high-traffic office, SPC flooring is designed to perform, while adding warmth and timeless style to any interior. Our skilled team at Fixit Design managed everything, from expert consultation to flawless installation, ensuring each detail was delivered to perfection. If you're thinking of upgrading your floors, now is the time to go smarter with SPC wood flooring. Durable, stylish, and easy to maintain, it's the future of flooring. Get in touch with Fixit Design, the name trusted across Dubai for reliable interior solutions, quality work, and customer satisfaction. Fixit Design, built on precision, designed for life.